Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Hi guys, I'm Agnes. We are making Agnes's special spicy chicken and rice. If you like good food, you're in the right place, because at Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. We're gonna use hot and spicy fillets, chicken. Chicken breast. What's that?
We call them chicken steaks, innit? But
Yeah.
it says fillets on the box.
Fillets. That's it. Hot and spicy chicken.
That's what we need.
Yeah, that's
You
all
gotta
we
get the
need.
ones from Iceland.
Yeah.
2-6.
So we'll cook these first.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. What's this as well for the people that don't know?
Yeah. We've got air fryer. Don't go into. Oh, yeah, it's alright. It's a bit dirty. We've got an air fryer, which we're gonna cook the steaks in. We've got these ones going.
Obviously, if you ain't got an air fryer, just use an oven.
Yeah, just use the oven.
I don't know, I can see my reflection.
They will start. That's it. Okay.
That's it.
So on here.
I think it was about 20 minutes when I made one yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, did you?
Yeah, yeah. I put 190, but 180 is normally alright.
180 is alright.
Yeah.
And then we'll put it on for 10 minutes.
Let's see what it's like.
Yeah, and then check it again.
That's cool as well. So what this does is it spins hot air.
Yeah.
Sick. Alright, and what else we got?
We can start doing the rice. Which we need 1 onion. This is going to be fried rice. You can learn how to do fried rice. As well as chicken rice.
Rice is one of those things that's weirdly hard to cook.
Yeah.
Well, it's not hard to cook, it's hard to get what you want.
Yeah, you just want to get the water out. So it doesn't cook for you. Put the gas on.
So that noise is that in the background.
Yeah. We should have cooked them beforehand. Really. Need a bit of oil. Need quite a bit. Need quite a bit of oil because we're gonna make quite a lot of rice, 2 glasses of rice.
Oh yeah, we have done a lot of chicken. If you're doing...
Chicken and for the family, we're gonna have it for dinner.
Yeah, so if you was only doing like...
1 or 2, then it's
yeah, you only need like a handful of rice, but
yeah.
we got a lot of a lot of mouths to feed.
Yeah, that's right.
So does it not matter how thinly sliced, just...
No, really, doesn't really matter. And then we need cumin seeds.
Yeah. Or jeera, if you're Punjabi.
Yeah, my Punjabi language. And about 4 or 5 cloves.
That's
Or
alright.
5 or 6, it doesn't really matter. It's just to get the flavour. This is how it should look. put it on medium, and now go and wash the rice.
Hey, do it for the camera. Like he's got a pocket. Yo, come on, man. Quick, we need to cook.
Come on. No wasting time.
Alright, so what we got to do? We got to wash them.
You want to show how 1 glass?
Oh yeah, 1 pint.
Well, I'm going to do 2, but...
Oh, yeah, because we got a lot. Alright, so we did put a second one in. Just give us a little mix.
Yeah, just mix it. We'll wash the rice in water. Just do it twice. Should be alright.
You know, sometimes people find plastic rice in their bags.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some Chinese markets do it to make the rice go further. No, doesn't it?
Terrible, isn't it? It's like somebody's life, isn't it? Okay. Try to drag off all the water. Okay. Yeah, we just turn them over and then just...
That should be alright. Over 10.
Yeah.
First time we've used the air fryer on there, you know?
Huh?
It's the first time we've used this.
I know. When the rice are done, we just add the rice. When the rice are done, when the onions are done, we just add the rice.
That is a lot of rice.
Yeah, 2 points. I mean, for all of us, isn't it?
To be fair, you got me, you, Manu, Bugsy, Andy, Antonio.
Yeah, that's it. So I've got 3 1/4 glasses of water.
Oh yeah, it's quite a lot, isn't it?
If you're just making rice, just fried rice on their own, this is the point you put the water in, the salt in.
Okay.
So put the salt in, let it boil. When you can see the holes in the rice, cover it, let it simmer on a very, very low heat for about 20 minutes.
Okay,
And then
what
rice
do
will
you
be
mean,
done.
like when it starts bubbling?
Yeah.
Or stuff like that?
Yeah. So because we're going to make it spicy, I'm going to add the spices in a little while when it starts boiling.
Yeah, that
Okay.
makes sense.
Yeah?
Whoa!
Give me your plate.
Hey, look.
Yeah, they're done. That's it.
Roger, okay. See, even the cameraman can help. No.
Thank you.
It's alright. I think some of the ones underneath might not be cooked, but we'll see when we cut it open.
Yeah, they're cooking there as well, isn't they?
Oh yeah, stuff like chicken and eggs supposed to cook on its own, isn't it? Well, it carries on cooking.
Carries on cooking, yeah. Because we're going to put the chicken, those in, and then let it simmer.
So you can see a lot of it has come out now.
I'm going to put all the spices in now.
Oh yeah, let me go for you. So we got exclusive
Just keep the
access.
red one, the first red one, yeah.
And the salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
Do I need haldi? Bit of haldi, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was turmeric for people that don't speak Punjabi.
Yeah. I'm going to use about half a teaspoonful of turmeric.
Yeah.
Okay, that's gonna put in there. And a bit of chili. Obviously you can use green chilies. Some people don't like
Having the bits.
red chilies. They can use green chilies.
Oh yeah, you were saying some people get like funny stomachs and
Yeah. So
man up and eat it.
yeah. That's it. And then a spoonful of salt. And maybe slightly more.
It looks kind of like mintage or...
Isn't it? Is it because I put the haldi in? Turmeric. Okay. You just slice it into about bits. Bits like that. Or even smaller bits if you prefer.
Little bite-sized bits.
Little bite size. I think bite size is quite good, isn't it?
Yeah, it works a bit better. Because last time I ended up cutting it into smaller bits anyway.
Smaller bits anyway, yeah.
Obviously, if you've only got 2 chicken breasts, that's not going to be that much chicken.
Yeah, put the chicken bits in. I've got a lot of people to feed.
Feeling like that old Indian lady when she makes like 100 bits of pakoda for the Indian kid.
No, isn't it?
And the swap is a bit heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take camera. That's it. It's already recorded.
That's it. Just let it simmer. That's it. That's it.
I hate leaving bits on my spoon. Gotta have a clean spoon. Alright, and then this one now, yeah?
We're going to put the lid on. Put it in that way. Put the lid on and let it simmer on a very, very low heat.
Very, very low. You can't even see the flame, it's that low.
Yeah, so it's just actually just simmering it and let the rice cook a little bit more.
Yeah. So how long about? 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I think it's all done. Yep. That's it. Those sticky bits. Yeah, it's all done.
I actually can't wait to eat dinner now.
Today we made Agnes's special spicy chicken and rice. Please join us next week. Thank you very much for watching. Agnes signing off.